Snowdrops, the first bulb to bloom in season. If you see snowdrops, you can be sure of one thing: spring is here. Snowdrops spread, so each year you get more and more of them. They are just like rabbits. In any case, give them enough space so they can develop nicely. And each new spring, you will be treated to a growing number of snowdrops. They grow to about 10 inches. There are two main species, Galanthus elwaysi and nivalis, and they're available at most stores and web shops. I mentioned two species, but believe it or not, there are 75 different species of snowdrops. You plant these 3 times as deep as the height of the bulb. That's not too difficult, and they like the sun or half shade. If you are done planting, pat them down and give them some water, and you'll have a beautiful spring. You can plant them up to November, not later. If you want more information about not just snowdrops, but all sorts of bulbs, go to www.bulb.com. And look at the result. Isn't this absolutely stunning?